Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Right about now, I want to talk to you about an accessory that you can get from Harley or from Amazon. And I think, in my opinion, it's a pretty important 50 to 85 bucks you'll spend that'll safeguard your accessories on the detachable mount over here. So all your detachable accessories can easily be taken off. So this product that I'm talking about is called the locking detachable latch set. So this is basically the detachable set right here, latch, that is lockable, which I think is very important. Let's look at it right after this. Okay guys, so this is the detachable lock set. I just bought this, as you saw in my previous video, and you know, this is not cheap. It doesn't come cheap, and any of these accessories, anyone can come up, you know, unlock it, lift it, take it away. It won't take but 2-3 seconds. So whether you have a you know, a pretty expensive sissy bar, a luggage rack, or let's say you have the tour packs from Advan Black or any other company. So this this kit right here will help you deter thieves from stealing your equipment. So let's go ahead and put one of these on this sissy bar here and see how it works. Okay, so we're going to take this and install it. We're going to put the original spring type washer back on. The included spacers, according to the instructions, you don't have to put that back on. So let's, we'll see how that goes. So put this back on. So turn that around so you can have a look. Okay, so the spring type washer goes back on. All right, and then there's only one way this can go on. Then we put our screw and metal washer, the original screw and metal washer, back on, and according to the manual, we just screw that in. That easy. Let's hope it is this easy. So that's it. This should work. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install this. Line these up and push down. There goes that one. There goes this one. So that's what they'll look like right there. That's the Harley one with the locking mechanism. Now the parts guy told me you don't have to put both locking on them. You just need to put one on one of the accessory. You can put one on the other one. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So see that little knob or latch sticking out? All you have to do is press that in, and that's it. This piece is locked, and no one will be able to steal this baby. So yeah, not bad. Yeah guys, not a bad investment to safeguard your expensive detachable accessories on your Harley. This is out of stock online, but if you call around the stores, the store near me had like 4 of these in stock. So this one is, I believe, part number 903-00086. 903-00086. I'll throw that in the description below, the link as well. And this thing is 75 bucks. The locking latch kit, and I highly recommend it. And it comes with two kind of keys. Well, it comes with a barrel key, but two lengths. One of them is, went back in my pocket. One of them is the tall one, which makes sense. So in case you have to get in or whatever, it works. But let me just show you how this works. To unlock it, I'm just gonna go ahead and I don't know if you can see that clearly. All right, let's see if I can bring you in from this angle. Now to unlock it, see that barrel right there? Fairly simple. It's not rocket science or anything, but I see where the tall key comes in handy. And I heard it pop. All you have to do is, you see how that piece is popped out? You can see it from this side. You can see it from this side again. It pops out, and now you can, now this piece right here moves, and you can unlock it, rotate it, unlock it, rotate it, and take the accessory off. So you just push that in. It has to sit flush, and now the accessory is locked. So I think it's worthwhile spending 75 bucks on it, and you can put it on two accessories, not just one. So you just need one of those, according to the parts guy at the store. You just need one of those, and then the other secondary one you can put on your luggage rack or whatever else. If you've got a tour pack, you can put it on that, because these things are expensive, guys. I mean, you know, all it takes is 2 seconds for somebody to lift it, take it away if they know what they're doing. And not to say that doesn't, you know, that'll happen in a crowd full of bikers, but you never know. It's better to be safe than sorry, especially when you spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on the accessories. So anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something you would buy? I definitely did, and I absolutely love it, and I'll put that on all the accessories that I buy. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Really appreciate it. Please hit the like button. Please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, ride safe.